Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. I have a quick and simple project for us to do today. You could probably do it with the kids, but it does involve Gorilla Glue. So if you choose to do that, I would suggest you be careful and don't let them have it. Anyway, I believe I got, most of the supplies are from the Dollar Tree, so it'll be pretty cheap as well. And I hope it's gonna turn out cute. Are you guys ready? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Okay guys, for this project, you're gonna need one of these little silver trays. I got this from the Dollar Tree like a while ago, and I just haven't done anything with it. But today, we're gonna make it special. So you get that, and then you get your Mod Podge. And then you wanna have some glitter ready to go. So I have this real pretty iridescent white. I like that one a lot. So that's what we're going to use, and we're just going to put it down on the surface of the tray, so just the bottom part, and leave the rest of it alone for now anyway. Okay, so here we go. And like I always say, you want to be somewhat generous when you use this stuff. And I am choosing to use this flat paintbrush, whatever you call this, foam brush, because if you can see how nice and smooth that is, right? And that's what we want, okay? And you want to be quick about it so it doesn't dry, and you want to try not to get it on the sides, which I just did, I'm sure. But if you do, you can just wipe it off. Okay, so that looks good. Now let's just come on through. I got a little rag sitting here. You could probably just use what do you call it? A Q-tip. But I don't have one on hand right now, and I'm not gonna get up and go get one. All right, that's good enough. So now let's just go ahead and sprinkle the glitter all over it. Don't be shy. Make sure you get the corners and the edges. Okay. So that's done. And now we're just going to wait and let that dry for now. And then when we come back, maybe we do something else to it. How about that? Okay, guys, who wants an animal fact? Oh, you do? Okay, all right, I got you. All right, so we're going to talk about pandas today. and we're gonna start at the beginning. So here we go. So when a lady panda gets pregnant, she is pregnant for about 5 months. And then when she has the baby, they stay with her for about 2 years. And then once the baby panda is around 7 months old, they start climbing trees. Now, why do they climb trees? I'm gonna tell you. Because they need to avoid predators. Now, they're not scared to fight. They will fight, but they don't want to. You know, they're pretty chill for the most part. So they get up there and they avoid predators, but they also like to sleep up there, and they're super curious and playful. So a lot of times when they go up there, they're just checking out the scenery. You know, they want to see who's coming in, who's going out, what's going on, what's that bird doing, whatever. All right. Now, they also eat a lot of bamboo, like 84 pounds a day. Just bamboo. I mean, what a bland, boring ass diet. But hey, you know, it works for them. So they live in China, and they're usually in like the forest or the snowy mountains. So you might be wondering, why do they have black and white fur? It's actually their coat, and they have that because it's camouflage. So when they're out in the forest, the black part helps them blend in with that. And when they're in the mountains in the snowy weather, the white helps them to blend in. So that's pretty cool. And then the last thing I want to tell you is that they are very similar to bears. I mean, it's a panda bear, but not quite the same. So they like to climb trees, just like a bear. They can swim, just like a bear. But unlike a bear, they do not hibernate. And the reason for that is because all that bamboo that they eat, it prevents them from storing fat. So they can't just sleep all winter long. They have to stay awake and keep eating to keep going. That's it. That's pretty much all I got. I hope you guys liked it. Have a good day. All right, so the glitter is dry. It's been a couple hours. So I just have this scrap sheet of paper. I'm going to dump it out on that because I don't want to waste it. We're going to set that aside, and we're going to work on this part. Okay, so for the next part, I have these two little green vases. They're like teal green. I got these from the Dollar Tree a while ago. And then I have some of this that I want to use for filler. These are those little glitter balls. They call it vase filler. And then I also have these little crystal flat back gems. So I want to sprinkle some of those in there, you know, just throughout. Oh man, my balls. All right, so now we'll drop some of these in. You know, shake it up. And then, all right. Nothing real special, but it's different. Okay. So now you're gonna take your Gorilla Glue and, well, I'm going to attach these, you know, like this, or however, you know what I mean. You can do more with this if you want. You could go around the edge with little rhinestones or maybe little gems, whatever. I do not want to. I like the way this looks, so I'm gonna just leave it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna attach the tray to these little vases, and it's gonna be a little stand. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. All right, I thought I was done with this, but it turns out that I really would like these vases to have a little bling on them. You know, it's just a little bit too plain for me. So I have some of this adhesive bling. Not a whole lot, but I have enough. So I went ahead and cut out some little strips, little tiny, tiny baby strips. And I'm going to attach them. So I'm just gonna put a little strip right here. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so now the first one's done. Isn't that pretty? I like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the second one. Okay, it's all done. And I also put a little band around the top there, if you can see it. Okay, so I think I'm done now. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it. And I wanna say thank you for coming to the show. I hope you guys had fun. It was good for me. I hope it was good for you. So we'll see you guys on the next one. And I hope you stay safe out there. Watch for deer.